Hey guys, I'm Kate from Drift. I work in the demand gen team here, and one of the things I'm always thinking about is our lead scoring model. How do I get people to engage with our content and increase their lead score so that I can send more leads over to sales? But one of the things enough marketers aren't doing today is using video in their lead scoring model. A lot of the video platforms today are able to tell you how much of a video somebody watched. And you can integrate that into your marketing automation platform and actually use that data to inform the lead scoring model. Wouldn't it be awesome to know what leads are consuming 45 minutes of your old webinars? Wouldn't it be incredible to know who watched the demo video that your video team spent hours and hours creating? Well, now you can. This is a huge opportunity to increase the number of engaged leads you have that you're able to inform your sales team about today. So give it a try and let me know. I'd love to hear how it works for your business. Hit me up on KAdams24 on Twitter.